how to buy Beraborrow token. So this token came under the symbol of pollen. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now as you can see, to be able to buy this token, first of all, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. To be able to buy this token, click on markets here, as you can see. Now you'll be able to find this exchange platform. Now select one of these. I will select, for example, the CoinX. Now click on this pair next to it. After that, as you can see, make sure to log into your account on CoinX and find your account with some USDT to be able to buy this token. After that, what you need to do, after you are on the page of that token to buy it, now scroll down. As you can see, you'll be able to find this buy option. Now click on limit, and here you can type how much you want to buy of that token, as you can see. So here you will be able to see the value that you will be paying of the USDT on your own accounts. And if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token. And click here on buy pollen. So this is how to buy pollen token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.